Gmail tutorial for beginners 2025, step by step plus tips and tricks. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Gmail and step by step, and I'll give you some tips and tricks on the end of the video. So first of all, you need to go to the gmail.com, and if you don't have an account, you can click create account. You'll fill in first and last name, your preferred Gmail address, password, and follow the steps to verify your phone number and recover email, then accept Google terms. Once done, you land in your Gmail inbox. So I have already installed logged in to my Gmail account. So let's break down the layout. So on the left side you can see main menu like inbox, start, snoozed, sent, draft, and important chats, scheduled, all mail, spam, trash, categories, manage levels, create new level. There are multiple options here. So and in the center your emails, and on the right side you can see quick access to calendar and your keep notes, your tasks, your Google contacts, and on the top bar you can see search mail option and Google apps and your profile picture. So Google's 2025 design is cleaner and more AI driven with smarter auto categorization and real-time smart reply suggestions. So let's do the composing and sending emails. So click the compose button from here, and after that you can see a new message window appears, and like fill in to subject body. So on the two you have to give the recipient's email like 123@gmail.com and all, and on the subject you can add the subject about this mail you are sending, like for leave of absence or anything related to your query, and on the body your total message will be here, and you can add attachments with the paper clips button here, and it can be a PDF file, image, or anything, or you can also send videos, and you can also insert links here like insert link option, or you can just select Ctrl and K button on your keyboard, and you can also give emojis from here, and you can also insert files using Drive or use formatting options. You can use AI suggestions in 2025 that autofill sentences as you typed, like if you type I want to tell you about my problems so that I hope. So the AI suggestion will appear, and you can also insert signature here, and you can also toggle confidential mode. You can also label this as social, updates, forms, promotional, or add star. You can create a new label, and you can also send it like plain text mode. You can check spelling, you can select the print option and click send once you are done. So this will now store in my draft, and let me tell you about the inbox tabs and labels. So Gmail uses tabs to auto sort your emails. So primary is personal messages, social is Facebook, Instagram, etc., and promotions like sales, newsletters, updates, and forums also appear based on usage. So on the left you see labels. You can see the manage labels option here. You can see the inbox, start, snoozed, important chat, send, scheduled, all mails. they act like folders. You can create new labels to organize your emails. Like you can create a new label from click selecting create new label. You can create new labels to organize your emails like clients, receipts, and projects. So you can also use the search bar. You can also use the search bar at the top of the find emails by you can search by name or subject or keyword or even has hyphen attachment, and click the slider icon to filter emails from a specific sender and with a specific word or within a time frame. You can then create a filter rule to automatically achieve label or forward emails. Now about organizing your inbox. To clean up, you can select emails and click archive to hide them from inbox. Like you can select this two and click on archive to hide this. You can also select on undo and the archive will be undone, and use star to mark important ones like this. It's now start, and use snooze to temporarily hide emails and bring them back later. You can also snooze, click on snooze and snooze until later today. You can set the timer, weekend, next week, or specifically pick a date on something. And you can click the three dots for more options like labeling or muting a thread, and you select you can also select all, and then you can also select all, and you can just simply delete all the mails and all. Again you can click on mark as read, and you can just mark as read all together. And let me tell you setting your should update. So click on the gear icon on the top right and see all settings, and after that some key things to adjust. You can undo send, set delay to 10 to 30 seconds, undo send delay to 10 to 30 seconds. So you'll get a 10-second time before sending it if you change your mind. And you can add a professional or personal footer which will act as a signature, and you can also set automatic replies and also change appearance like themes. And you can also enable keyboard shortcuts for faster navigations. And there are some smart tools and features. So smart compose, that is Gmail, now suggests full sentences as you type. Smart reply offers auto replies like sounds good or I'll check and reply soon. And you can also check schedule send. Click the arrow beside the send option. Like compose, click the arrow beside the send option. You can just schedule the send by clicking it, and choose a future date time to send the email. Perfect for global clients. You can get the Gmail to confidential mode. You can set expiry and prevent forwarding or downloading of sensitive emails. You can also download the Gmail app on Android or iOS. Log in to with your Google account. You'll be able to get notifications, reply quickly with swipe actions. You can use voice to text replies, sync with Google Calendar, Drive, and Meet. It's ideal for email on the go. And let me give you some productivity tips and shortcuts. So for that, first of all, I'll give some keyboard shortcuts. You can use the C button for compose, E button for achieve, and R button to reply. And you can use shift plus U button to mark as unread, or enable this in settings under advanced. You can use multiple inboxes, like useful for managing work and personal emails in one view. And you can color code your labels, helps you visually organize priorities. You can use stars or different colors for custom status, like red is equal to urgent, blue is stands for follow up. Or you can integrate Gmail with tasks or keep to turn emails into reminders or notes instantly. And now for the fun part, let me give you some bonus tips and hidden features for Gmail. So you can access emails even without internet. Enable it in settings and click on offline. You can custom templates enable under advanced to reuse common replies. You can do AI summarization. Gmail 2025 offers summaries of long threads right at the top, and you can start or schedule video calls directly from your inbox. You can use multiple signatures, great for switching between personal and business roles. And lastly, check your storage usage at the bottom. If you are running low, delete or large attachments or use Google One for upgrades. So that's all for this video. Hope you find this video helpful. So be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, and see you on the next video.